Always handy to get your missus her own lawnmower. Hello, baby. She's getting on all right with it. Happy days. Here's my old Victoria plum tree. Look how many plums are coming on, look. There's absolutely loads of them on here, look. Look, everywhere. Lovely job. All that's getting dug away pretty soon now. Jimmy's seen the bloke. We're going to get someone in with a digger to level this lot off. And coming over here, the conference pears are also starting to take now, as you can see. We've got loads of them on here. They're all over there, look, little pears. Happy days. So while she's out there cutting the grass, I want to get a few little things done to the Triumph Acclaim. You know, the tinkering about little jobs. I've got this grill just above the bonnet to put back on. I've got 3 of the 4 push clips that go through there, so there is one missing there. As I mentioned in another video, I've actually painted these now, the arms for the windscreen wipers, but what they are is 2 different types there. Now I have bought 2 new ones. These are the old ones. As you can see, they're both totally different fitments, so I don't know whether these arms are going to be any good or not, but we'll find out when we get out there. So also I've got Mixed Mowers levers there for his Ransom's Marquis lawnmower. I've powder coated them, obviously powder coated chrome, but I'll leave him to put the lacquer on that. So that's for you to do, Mick, but as you can see, that's not powder coated. They're just polished up there, as you can see. That's polished up, and this has been powder coated chrome. I've got the original nuts and bolts to come out of here now. So that's got to be polished up as well. That was the original bracket. And also, obviously nuts and bolts and pieces in here sort of thing. So I don't know yet. I may have to even powder coat these. I'm not too sure yet. See how they come up, them brackets. And other things like the screws, which need cleaning up. These are the original screws. I don't know if he's going to replace these, but I mean, I will polish and buff them up. There is a broken spring in there as well. I've got to fish out. Where is it? It's actually broken on one side there, so I don't know whether or not you can get a replacement one of them or what, Mick. I'm not too sure, but I might have to leave that for you to do. So yeah, that's the bits there I've got to work on, but that's another story. So let's get out, put these arms on, let's get this grill back in the Triumph Acclaim and just do a few little tinkering about jobs out there. It's a lovely day outside, so I might as well get it done. Right, she's just cut the grass and she's got one of her new presents she got from our subscriber Lee and Donna. Yeah. Let's have a look. Open up, Sharon. Let's have a look. What's she got on it? Look at that. Look, hold on. Where are you, baby? Come out the way. Look.
I'm just working it out.
That's it. Briggs & Stratton lawnmower cover.
No, they've done it.
No, right, come and put your lawnmower away, baby. Yeah. She's got to look after it, although it is covered with grass at the moment. As you can see, she's just cut the grass, but she's having a go, ain't you, baby? Yeah. Do you like it?
I love it.
I don't like it. I love it.
Yeah, I better put it over there because of the wheels.
Yeah, put it over there first, Shell. Wheel it over there, baby. And then you can cover it up. Put it to bed afterwards, yeah? Go on, off you go. Yeah, it's got a pull cord on it, one of those little bungee things you pull at the bottom. There we go, that bottom corner. Oh, I see, yes, marvellous. Happy days.
There she goes. What a great idea.
Your lawnmower is now been put to bed, baby.
Protected, it'd be great through the winter though for it, wouldn't it?
Hey?
Be good through the winter for it.
Yeah, you've done a marvellous job. Just got to go around and do the strimming now, but I think we're out of strimming cord.
There's some on the hot tub.
Is there?
Yeah, I'm sure
I'll sort it out.
There.
Scratch my back, Shell. Okie dokie. Right, it's a bit dusty and dirty at the moment, but we've given it that initial polish, as you know. So let's just lift that bonnet up. Okie dokie. So we'll bring this back over to here, and that goes that way round. So I did pull off that hose off of this jet. There we go. And that goes under there, then I can put that back on again, you see. There are we. I'll have a cup of tea, baby. Yes, please, thank you. Right, so that's that one. And then I've got to connect this back up to the feed pipe, which is here. So I'll just put that on. And that just literally sits in there. There is some clips that push in. Two, get that underneath there, look. Then you buggered that up. They just push in there. That's it. There's one missing. I know, I'll have to try and get hold of one of them. That's it. Lovely. Right. Now, I haven't got the battery connected up, but if I just put it over there for now, just put it on loosely. Sharon, can you get some water for the washer bottle? I want to try this out. While we're here, we might as well blink and start it up again, I suppose. Eh? It's only a test, as you know. We will be putting screen wash in there. Just put it on slowly. That's it. Just want to make sure this is working. All these sort of things you need for the MOT, you see. Right, turn it off now. I'm just going to put a bit in that reservoir there for the water. Right, go on in again. One more. Just on the overflow. That'll do you. Right, okay, that's that. So that can go back on there. So if I go and get the keys, we'll see if we can get that squirting, because they'll probably have to be adjusted anyway, I would have thought. So let's do that. Right, let's see if we can start it first of all. Get it running, get it at a running temperature. Key in the ignition. Put the blower off, don't need that on. Happy days. Oh. Right, just let that tick over there for a minute. It's ticking over a bit fast, I know, but let's try the windscreen washers now. I don't know whether they're going to work. Where are they? There we go. I can see the arms working. Yeah, I've got to colour tune it. I may even have to take the carbs off again and clean the slow running, because I can't push the choke in at the moment without it cutting out. So the carbs may have to come off again, because I have been standing for 5 or 6 years since I last had it started. And that's not a problem anyway, but at least these work, the jets work. The windscreen washers are flapping backwards and forwards, so at least they're not seized up. In fact, they're working now, they're on pulse at the moment. Yeah, they're both working, look. If you can see, they are turning, look, so they're on pulse at the moment. There we go. So I know that the mechanisms work all right, so I'm happy with that. What I should do as well is also check that the lights are all working and the indicators and stuff. So if I get Sharon back out here. Right, baby, you sit in the driver's seat, or do you want me to sit in there? Oh, she got the hump. We've got to remember where the lights are on this. Well, you know where the indicators are, wouldn't you? Right, this side, indicator. Yeah, that one's working. Wait there. That one's working. Leave it on. Is it still on? The repeater isn't working there, so I've got to look into that. That's probably just a bulb, so that's one thing. All right, the other side. That one's working. That repeater's not working. That could be a bulb. And that one's working as well. Right, okay, indicators off. Put the brakes on. Put your foot on the brake. Wrong pedal, Shao. Yeah, brakes work, brake lights work. But now put your foot on the clutch and put it in reverse. But don't pull away, obviously. Yep, reverse lights work, okay. Put it back in neutral. Right, we'll leave that one for the minute. Right, we'll do the headlights now. Right, front lights. Yeah, that's the little side lights down there. Put it on. Hold on, that one will come on first of all. That might be just a connection, or the bulb might have just gone, but that's okay. I'm sure I'll see that come on first of all, but never mind. Right, go on in, next one. Right, I've only got one headlight working. Hold on, stay there. Well, that's probably not working because I ain't plugged on at the moment. Okay, I've just plugged that one back on again. Try it again, headlight. Right, now main beam. Yeah, they're both working. That's the little side lights. Now main beam, flash it. Yeah, they're working. So I've got a side light there which ain't working, and the two little repeaters around the side ain't working. They're just them little festoon bulbs. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Right, turn the ignition off. Here, look, she's got Barney in the car, look. He thinks he's going out for a walk, look. Hey? What are you doing in here? Hey? What are you doing in the old Triumph Acclaim, Barney? He's an old boy, isn't he, Shao? Yeah, so I'm pretty pleased with that, bearing in mind these...
What's this flicky switch here for?
What flicky switch?
There's a long switch here, look.
Hold on, can't see.
There.
I don't know, that might have been the temporary headlights. You know, on the bumper, they put little fog lights on. That might have been wired in from that. And in fact, I think that's the switch coming around the front here. I think that's actually what this is. This goes over in that area as well. So I think this would have come down to them switches, them lights that was on the bumper in the first few videos, as you probably saw. So that's that. So I've just got to check out these now. These, I've got bird crap on there. How do you get bird crap on there, Sharon? My subscriber Peter Moore, he's actually 3D printing these new ends for me, so that'd be very interesting to see if they turn out and they will do the job, because you can't buy them anymore.
Do you print me a Barney? He's getting old. I want a young Barney.
Your little Barney?
Yeah.
Shao, you look good behind the wheel of the Triumph Acclaim.
I look better behind a convertible.
No, you're not having one of them. Right, so I can put these arms on for the moment, but as I say, I'm not too sure whether or not these wipers are going to be okay. So, you want to jump out then, baby?
You finished them then?
Yeah, you can take the keys out now.
Oh, they're going down now, look.
Yeah, take the keys out, baby. I'll just disconnect that battery again. So, yeah, I will have the carbs off. I won't mess about. Right, mind the door. Out you get, baby.
Bubbles. Come on.
Just put that back on there for the moment, just in case something shorts out. You could have shut the door behind you, Shao.
No, I'd let Barney out, didn't I?
Well, he's gone now. He can't shut it, can he?
Well, you can, but you're only stood there. It's not hard.
Oh, your attitude.
Come on, Bubbles. Come with Mummy.
So, let's put that down for a minute. Right, okay, so I've got these. I've not even opened these yet. These are 16-inch ones, which is the same size. Oh, they might fit. I think these do multitude of fitting, you see. Does that go on like that? Oh, hello. Hell. That broke. Okay. Oh, what's going on here? I've pulled it out now, look. It's always wise to read the instructions first, isn't it? Oh, Jesus. Right, well, put that one down for a minute. Let's open this one up. Can't believe I broke that. Right, so that's that one there. There's that little clip on there, and I think that can go on there. I just think I went a bit mad with pushing it in, you see. So that looks like that goes on there like that. That pulls back that cap. We get that nut off. Right, so let me get a socket and tighten that up. Right, so I've got a 13 mil. It's not blinking 13, is it? Oh, it's 12, isn't it? Right, so I've got a 12 mil. Let's just do this up. I think there should be some sort of a black shroud that sits below that to cover up this here, which I didn't have on there, so I will actually have to keep an eye out for getting a couple of them. Right, okay. So that's that one. To clean all these rubbers out, look. Got loads of crap underneath them when I come to do that. Right, so that's that one. Okie dokie. Right, let's get that one off of there. I'm not happy with this. I will get new arms for this. Probably take me years to find them, mind you, but there you go. Get that up there like that. Get the nut on there. Might have to adjust these afterwards, but it'll do for the moment. There we go. Tighten them onto there. Put the dust cover down. There we go. Both back on again. Right, let's go and get the key again and try and start it. Right. I've got to open the bonnet again to put the blinking battery back on again, haven't I? Disconnected that, didn't I? What am I like? Oh. Right, just lift that up there. Just take that cap off there like that. Right, let's just put that down like that for the moment. So, I won't start the engine up, no need to. Right, let's get that in there. Right, off. Squirt the water, that goes up there. That'll pass an MOT. Happy days. That's it, I'm happy with that. Disconnect that battery again. Happy days. Right, just a little tinkering vlog. This one I ain't doing too much today. It's a lovely day outside. Nearly 3:15 in the afternoon, and hopefully I want to get this video uploaded. Maybe for today, maybe for tomorrow. I know I've got one coming out on Butler's Empire today, so do check that one out. That's where Sharon cuts my hair. Those of you who have noticed that my hair's a lot shorter, if you ain't a member of Butler's Empire, you would have known how this come about. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little tinkering about video. Not much going on really at the moment. Just enjoying this weather because it's been terrible weather here in the UK over the last week or so. So it's just nice to get out and actually do something. I want to get this ready now, as you know, and I'll be finishing a lot of these little jobs off the line. It's just little niggling jobs sort of thing. So you've seen stuff like that before. Anyway, thanks very much. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. And until then, bye for now.